Hey guys, I'm Megan.
I'm Wendy.
It's been so long. We're taking it back to the original with the favorites. I have a random sample of items today.
Me too. Like, you know what's so funny? Like, we don't do these videos, and every time I'm like, oh, I should save that for a favorites video, and then we just haven't done them like all year long, I don't think. So I kind of have like a mix mash of things, but I'm excited to get into it.
All right, I'm just gonna jump right in.
Yeah.
This is the Anastasia Brow Wiz, and I love it so much, and I hate that I love it. I hate that I love it because it's expensive. I bought this in the Ulta sale when they were $10, so I bought 2 of them, and I've kind of like been slowly, like I used one, and then I went back to my L'Oreal, which is a decent dupe. It's not as good.
Open this up. I want to see it. What's the
spoolie on one end, and then it's a very...
So I know L'Oreal makes one, but Maybelline also makes one. And I think the Maybelline one is better than the L'Oreal one because I've used both, and L'Oreal drags on me a little bit.
Interesting. I'll try the Maybelline.
I like the Maybelline one better. Over the summer, I watched Drew Barrymore on Tati's channel, and I laughed my butt off so hard because it was such a funny video. I don't think it was purposely funny. I just thought something was very funny in it. So did you see that video that I was talking about?
As you're talking, I realized
you remember I sent you a text and said you need to watch this video.
I never did.
It was just really funny because Drew Barrymore was like putting on her Flower Beauty products, and she just was like, you know, like Tati's like very precise, and Drew Barrymore is just like swooshing it all over her face.
So it wasn't intentionally funny.
No. It was funny to me. So anyway, Ulta is now carrying Flower Beauty, which is normally sold at Walmart. And I don't know if the lines are different. Do you know?
I think I might have pulled it from Walmart.
Really?
That could be fake news. I have no idea what I'm talking
about. I don't know either. But anyway, I got the Flower Light Illusion Perfecting Powder, and I love it so very much. It's just a great, nice finishing powder.
Awesome.
It's just beautiful.
So this is like a semi-favorite. This is the Maybelline Lemonade Craze eyeshadow palette, and last week I sent Wendy a text. I'm like, every time I walk past this thing, I want to buy it.
Me too.
And I never do. And it was on sale, buy one, get one 50% off. She was like, buy 2, and I'll take the other one. And so I did. And here's the thing. First of all, it has a scent.
It does. I haven't even opened mine yet.
I like ripped into mine in the car.
I don't scratch. You know, I smell everything. I don't smell anything.
What?
No.
It's not a strong scent. It's like a scratch and sniff sticker scent. It's, I guess, supposed to smell like lemonade. Now, the colors are beautiful. When you look at it, you're like, oh, it just makes me feel so happy looking at it. As a summer hater, I'm like, it's so summery. However, the quality of the shadows is inconsistent and not fantastic. Like, for example, this sherbet color. Like, I don't know if you can see how much powder. Watch this.
Oh boy.
You see that? It's like, however, I have a lot of fun with this. So before, I mean, look, can you see, like, this whole palette is covered in little powder now from digging into that. Before anyone comes at me and says, that's a terrible quality palette, it's just fun. I still am able to create looks with it. Look at this. This is sugar coated, and look at this. Look at this color right here. Like, it's,
see your swatches.
Yeah, it's a crooked little squatch.
Let me see. Oh, that's really pretty.
This color is so gorgeous. It's like a coppery shimmer. The other shimmers are okay. I just have fun with it. And it was $11. This was originally released as an Amazon exclusive before it was in drugstore.
Really? And I don't know what, I do know what possessed me to buy this. This is Fenty Beauty Lip Balm. Fenty Glow Gloss Balm. This is made by Rihanna, for all you people who don't know. Jennifer Love Hewitt, her Instagram stories, I love them so much. She was like on set and they were doing her makeup and she's like, Fenty Beauty lip gloss, whatever, it's the best, it's the best. And I was like, oh, I need to go buy that. It's $18. I don't know, I just love it. I love, like, I use it on top of other lip colors. I use it alone. It's a beautiful package. It's a lot of product. So happy with this purchase.
Sold.
I told her I'm like getting it for her birthday. I know she would never spend $18 on a gloss. So
no, so cheap, guys. Which brings me to my next product. Speaking of Sephora, when we were at the Grove, we went into Sephora, and that morning I had seen someone recommending these Sephora branded lip balms, and they come in several scents and several colors. However, even though the balm itself is a color, they go on clear. So this is the tangerine, and these are $6, and I quite enjoy these.
Me
this
too.
Is my go-to lip balm. I enjoy it. Someone said that they had heard it marketed as a dupe for the Fresh balms. Most of the Fresh balms have a color. However, there's one that's like the Fresh Ultimate, the Fresh something that's like just very balmy that I love. My mom has it, and I always steal it when I'm at her house. And this, I would say, you know, the Fresh balm at $28 is still a better balm. I'm not spending $28 on a lip balm, y'all. You have met me.
That's bananas.
These $6 balms are good.
They're great.
And they're fun and they're colorful and all the packaging's cute, and would absolutely rebuy these. These would be great stocking stuffers.
Totally. I have the coconut one and the tangerine one. I love them. I think they're great. I keep them on everywhere, like my sinks and stuff like that.
Agreed.
Okay, this is my next item. This is a NYX Professional Makeup Brush. This is a foundation brush. Target had them on sale like 2 weeks ago, like clearance, so they must be getting rid of them. I bought it because I usually use a beauty blender when I put my foundation on, but I need more help when I'm putting my concealer on, so I'm using this, and I saw a tip, like, instead of like rubbing it like this, to like press it in, and it's been working for me. And I was like, who knew a brush? Because I think when I use my fingers for a concealer or the beauty blender, it just gets
up a lot of it.
Yeah, exactly. So this, I just push it in, push it in, push it in, and I think it's really helping with my dark circles.
Taking it back to Sephora, I went into Sephora that day specifically to buy this Milk Makeup mini stick. I really wanted to try it because even the mini is $14.
I gotta tell you, I contemplated buying the big size when I was there the other night.
Have you tried the little one yet?
Yes, I love it.
It's so good.
I love it.
This is the Milk Makeup blur stick. You just swipe it on your face. I think the advantage of the big one would be more surface area, right?
Yeah,
so you're not like
kind of like
swipe when you put it on.
Yeah.
But there's something to be said for a lot of things. One, the packaging is fun. Two, the application process is fun to just like swipe it on. Three, it is silicone free. So if your skin is sensitive to silicone, I don't like silicone in a primer, then something is wrong with this.
Mine's funky too. Mine does
there we go. There we go.
Mine's
It's like
something weird too. You have to push it back down.
Oh no. Okay. Well, beware. But I like it, and my makeup goes on nicely over it, and I feel like it holds on to my makeup.
Oh my god, totally. I have been playing with it. I bought one too. I've been playing with it. The first time I used it like full face. And now I'm using it kind of like in the areas where I need, you know, just some extra help, and playing with another like primer stick instead. So I'm using like two at the same time, but that one is really good. I really, really like it. I think I shared this CoverGirl.
Yes.
It's not a trio. It's not a palette. What would you call this?
A quad.
A quad. See, I don't know the words. But anyway, I think I shared this a long, long, long time ago. I came across it again in a drugstore recently, and I was like,
so this is a new one? You repurchased it?
I repurchased it. And I'm in love. I don't know why. This shade.
Look at this. You use these little guys? There's product on
Don't shame me.
I love it.
I love this color right here. And so I do use this little thing because I put it right here, and you can see like I have it on my eyes. I just like to
glowy.
brighten this like area right here, and I just freaking love it.
it.
I'm not crazy about the other ones so much, but I just love that one color. I wish it came in just a single pan, but
yeah.
Man, CoverGirl, you can't go wrong, right?
I know. Oh, that takes me back right there.
I know.
All right. So you may have seen our Contouring for Dummies video where we were sent these, full disclosure. Didn't have to do anything with them.
Nope.
And
here we are talking about them again.
I love this palette so much.
I'm wearing it today.
Are you wearing it today?
Oh, she just put her finger in one of them.
She just gouged the bronzer.
Ow.
Well, I did love this palette. This is the Guize Face FX. contouring palette. It is just so fun. Now, in that video, I was very heavy-handed, and now I have since learned and I have perfected my technique a little bit. I like it so much. Like, this contour shade, like, I just kind of like just the tiniest little bit, you know, for daytime. I don't really have anywhere to go at night, so I don't have a nighttime look.
Yeah.
But honestly, I could use no other blush. If I were going to travel, I could take like this, no other blush, no eyeshadow, and this would be fine.
Yeah,
totally. You can use it like full face. I love it. The colors last. The formula is beautiful. I like the highlight. It is so fun.
I love that. I love it. I reach for it every single day. I love it. Love
too.
it, love it, love it! Okay, I'm going to share with you, this is the Sheer Tint Broad Spectrum SPF 45 by PCA Skin. I bought this from the girl who does my facials. This is a tinted moisturizer, and I just really, 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 really like it for summer. It's just, I don't know. I don't know if there's just a combination of like this and that milk blurring product and that flower illuminating powder. Like, I've been really liking how my foundation has been this summer.
That's nice.
So I'm super stoked on this.
All right, next up I have, this is the Fresh Life Shower Gel and Body Lotion. Now, these were a hostess gift for the holidays.
Nice.
I believe they're from my friend. Well, because my bathroom was packed up.
Oh, yeah,
like I came home and then I kind of have been like slowly, you know. But here's why I love these. I believe these are from my friend Lisa, who gives like the most thoughtful gifts. And, are you okay?
Yes. I'm not coughing. I give thoughtful gifts too.
I know. I'm talking about this thing in particular. I didn't say she gives more thoughtful gifts than anybody else. I'm saying the gifts she gives are thoughtful. Specifically about this person gives thoughtful gifts. I didn't say she's the only person I know.
Okay, fine.
My whole point of sharing these is these have been under my bathroom sink waiting for I don't know what, right? Like, I have my Dove body wash in the shower.
I know. I think you save like more expensive things for like you think they're gonna be special, but just use them, right?
Yes, because it brings me so much joy to use this thing that smells great and feels great, and it's eventually gonna go bad, or it's gonna get like gummy or gross or dusty, or I'm gonna look at it and be like, I don't want to use that anymore. It's been in there for 2 years.
Yeah.
Use the good stuff, guys. It was given as a gift, and then I can go back to the Dove at the end, or the Olay, or whatever is in there, you know.
What is the scent?
I don't know, but it's so lovely. It's like citrusy, but clean.
Yeah. Citrusy, definitely. I love that.
I do too.
Oh my god. You guys.
This is good.
Amazon is bringing it with the clothes. I never thought I would purchase clothes off of Amazon. I bought a bathing suit this summer. I bought sunglasses. And I just recently bought this top after watching, I'm going to put her name down below too. Her name is Lee Benjamin. She's got a real, she's like my age, probably younger. Actually, she's probably Megan's age.
No, I think she's like 32. I think
she's
like
way younger.
A baby, yes. She's beautiful, has 2 kids. She's
got really cute style. I liked it. She showed this top specifically. I don't know if it was this color. I think it was white, actually. She bought it off of Amazon. I don't remember how much it cost. I bought 3 colors now because I love them so much. They're lightweight, but not sheer. They're long to cover your butt if you want to. Long in the front, but you can, it has really cute like ties to tie it. It's just
totally buying them all too.
Adorable. I'm going to wear it through the end of summer, through fall. I love it, love it, love it. Go check out Lee's channel. I think you guys will like it. Hopefully she sees this and gives us a thumbs up too. But anyway, thank you, Lee, for sharing your Amazon haul because I purchased many, many, many things from your affiliate links.
So my last thing, Wendy was like, oh, are you going to include your straw? And then shh, she has hers right here. So I recently bought a stainless steel straw in my grocery store. I bought a set of 6 actually, because I am on this like, I'm a good human and I'm reducing my single-use plastic. Save the turtles. Mostly I enjoy it because it makes me feel like a good person.
You are a good person.
But
give yourself some credit.
But I genuinely enjoy using the straw. One, I drink more water when I drink out of a cup with a straw, period, the end. The thing that makes these so great for me is the combination of the straw and the double-walled insulated cup, because this cup, which is, this is by the brand Aquatix, which is a friend of ours. I paid for this. This is not sponsored. And there are lots of double-walled stainless steel tumblers on the market. I like to support a small business of a family that I know, of course. I actually called my friend. I'm like, I need the bigger size now. Like, I'm like nonstop.
I'm drinking so much water. I need a bigger one.
I am. So this keeps everything so cold. Plus the stainless steel straw. It is like ice cold water. I can leave this on my nightstand overnight, and I wake up and there's still ice in it.
Oh, that's
in the
cool.
morning.
Very cool.
It's hot, and you know how much I hate summer and being hot. So
yeah.
just
Okay, so she talked me into it. I bought mine from Amazon. Mine, first of all, this is like a monster. I obviously don't support small businesses with my Starbucks logo.
Yeah, you got a bigger straw.
This is huge. I don't know. How long is your straw? Is your straw this long?
No.
Oh.
I need the longer one.
And mine come with these little silicone nubbies on it, which is perfect for me because I chew on my straw.
I would
always
wish I had that.
You need them. You can order these alone.
Separately,
Yeah.
I need that.
So like
sometimes it clinks against your teeth. You're like, oh
yeah, it hurts. Top of my mouth, all that stuff. Anyway, these little nubbies, like it gives me the satisfaction of chewing on my straw. So I love it. I love how cold the straw gets. Like, did you mention that? And I've been drinking so much water because it's in here. I love it. Here, can you guys see it? This is to clean your straw. Do you use this? Really?
Yes.
Am I terrible if I don't?
Well, no, but I mean, I drink iced coffee out of mine too.
I really drink water out of mine, so
I mean, I would swipe it through there every now and then.
I do take the little nubbies off and wash them, and then I set them on the counter and let them dry. But yeah, I love it.
That's it, y'all.
Yeah, we're gonna leave links to everything we've talked about below. If you click on them, they might be affiliate. And thank you for the clip.
So thank you so much for watching this favorites video. It's been a while. Maybe we'll do these more often.
Maybe we will.
And we'll be back in another video very soon. And you can make sure not to miss our next video by clicking the subscribe button down below. Thanks, guys.
Bye.
Bye.